Axis Communications believes that sustainability is essential to a smarter, safer world. We are dedicated to innovative solutions, long-term partnerships, and being good neighbors in everything we do.
We are really looking to send a message that we care about our customers and we care about the future of this planet.
Our vision is innovating for a smarter and safer world, and sustainability is a huge part of that.
What we do today can certainly help in the future by minimizing that waste stream, eliminating hazardous chemicals from our manufacturing processes.
It's extremely important to Axis that we have a plan for environmental stewardship, but also social responsibility, and just as importantly, business ethics.
Axis sends the public and actually the entire industry that we deal with that we have zero tolerance for corruption.
We believe that we will be able to make an impact on the world and make the world a more sustainable place for ourselves and future generations.
What it comes down to is sustainability is good business.
For Axis Communications, sustainability has 3 pillars: environmental stewardship, social responsibility, and ethical business practices.
Axis views environmental stewardship as a key component to our leadership in the industry. We view leadership as more than just leadership in revenue, but also in making the world a smarter and safer place.
We're using safe manufacturing processes, trying to eliminate chemicals such as chlorine and bromine and all of those nasty chemicals that are there.
About 95% of the material in Axis's products is recyclable or combustible in accordance with Swedish recycling standards.
Our cameras and encoders in total are about 85% PVC free, and in the past year, through use of environmental design and green practices, we were able to reduce PVC in our cameras and encoders by 91%.
Axis Communications received the 2017 Green Supply Chain Award, an industry honor that recognizes measurable sustainability goals achieved through the supply chain. As part of our sustainability effort, many of our facilities are located inside buildings that are certified by the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, a certification from the United States Green Building Council.
We allow our employees to take 8 hours of paid time off to focus on social responsibility of their choice, which is a great opportunity for them to become even more engaged.
Axis is also a member of Mission 500.
Axis has been a great thought leader and partner for Mission 500. Every Axian that shows up at the race has to either run or walk the race. And that's been phenomenal in setting a bar for other companies in the industry to step up and participate in this.
Every single Axis employee has to take anti-corruption training and sign off on those policies and procedures, and every single person in the organization does that. We also hold our suppliers and distributors accountable for the same set of guidelines.
Axis adheres to the UN Compact, which deals with basic principles for which to run your business around human rights, labor, environment, and anti-corruption.
Axis Communications also participates in the Global Reporting Initiative, or GRI, which requires companies like Axis to be completely accurate, honest, and transparent in reporting information about its business.
Ethical business practices are very important to Axis, not only internally, but externally as well, throughout our entire supply chain. Dealing on an ethical basis allows us to be competitive in this world, however, be above board at all times.
A secure world is a sustainable world. For Axis Communications, that means Axis works hard to achieve environmental stewardship, social responsibility, and ethical business practices throughout our organization and throughout our supply chain.
It's extremely important that when you're going to lead an industry, that you lead it in more ways than just by leading with revenue. That you lead it to truly make the world a smarter and safer place. This is something that we just don't put on the wall. It's something that we believe in and we lead with every day.